Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to clean your coilovers. Disclaimer up front. As you can see, these coilovers have seen better days. They're 15 years old and the paint is peeling off them. No amount of scrubbing or cleaning is going to transform these to an as-new condition, but that's not the point of this video. I'm merely looking to share the steps that I take when cleaning coilovers on one of my cars. So to clean coilovers, whether they be on or off the car, you will need the following products: a bucket of soapy water, an engine degreaser or good all-purpose cleaner, a scrubbing brush or detailing brush, and a towel or paper to dry the various parts. Start by using your hose or JetWash to get the worst of the dirt off and help to loosen the remaining dirt for cleaning. Liberally apply your engine degreaser or APC and leave it to soak for a few moments. Next, use your stiff brush or detailing brush to remove the worst of the dirt and grime. Take your time on this step and rinse and repeat as many times as necessary. Next, take your hose or JetWash again and rinse off every part. And then take your drying towel or cloth and take your time to not only dry the coilovers thoroughly, but also remove any remaining dirt you may have missed at the cleaning stage. Finally, marvel at the amount of dirt that you've just removed from your coilovers as you throw away the dirty water. So there you have it, a simple and effective way of cleaning your coilovers. Thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing to the channel.